Welcome to aminacademy.com. Now let us see the fundamental rules for differentiation. First, derivative of a constant, that is d by dx of c equal to 0. We can prove this rule. First, let d by dy by dx, so d by dx of a function of x we can represent as f dash of x. Now from first principle of differentiation we can write as f dash of x, that is dy by dx, equal limit h tends 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h, where h is small increment on x. Now applying the value of f of x plus h and f of x gives limit h tends 0, f of x plus h is here c, as well as f of x is also c, that is minus c over h, which is equal limit h tends 0, c minus c 0 over h gives limit h tends 0 of 0 is 0. Now second one, derivative of the constant times the function. Means d by dx of c into f of x equal c times f dash of x. Proof. Now by first principle, d by dx of c f of x equal limit h tends 0 c into f of x plus h minus c into f of x over h, where h is a small increment given on x, as well c is the constant. Now give the limits for both function. Now we can get c out. C equal c into, because c is not affected with the limit h, f of x plus h minus f of x over h, c into limit h tends 0 gives c into limit h tends 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h is the definition of dy by dx, which is equal c into dy by dx. We can write as, therefore c into d by dx of c f of x equal c into f dash of x. Next, derivative of sum or difference difference of two functions means f of x plus g of x whole days means derivative of the sum of the two function is equal f days of x plus f days of g means derivative of first function plus derivative of the second function. Proof. Now f of x plus g of x whole dash equal, by definition of first principle, limit h tends 0 f of x plus h minus f of h plus g of x plus h minus g of x over h. Now adding breaking the limits for both terms, that is limit h tends 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h plus limit h tends 0 g of x plus h minus g of x over h. By definition of first principle, that is limit h tends 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h gives f dash of x, that is derivative of the first function x, plus limit h tends 0 g of x plus h minus g of x over h is g dash of x. Therefore we can say differentiation of sum of two function is differentiation of first function plus differentiation of the second function. Similarly, f of x minus g of x whole dash is equal, we can prove, f dash of x minus g dash of x.